No. You gotta tell me what's going on first. No one's telling me shit. Why am I being detained? No one's telling me nothing.
All right, just walk with us.
No! Y'all can't fucking take me, dude! Why y'all just taking me? Help! Help!
I'm not fucking playing with you. Get in the fucking car.
No!
Hey everybody, welcome back and good to see you. If it's your first time here and you like this content, do not forget to smash that like, share, and subscribe, and ring the bell for future notifications. These days, officers seem to believe that people are guilty until proven innocent. Check out this video of this man outside on his lunch break having a cigarette when he just so happens to match a description and they illegally detain him. Get to the link in the description and let him know in his comment section that News Now Ninja sent you. Here we go.
Get your fucking hands off!
Stop.
Yo, get your hands off!
Relax.
What the fuck are you doing? You can't just roll. I don't care. You don't roll up on me and ask me for an ID.
Bro.
What's your badge number?
543.
Why are you holding me like this, bro? What are you doing?
I just want to see your ID.
Get the fuck off of me. Yo, what are you doing, dude? Nah. I'm not going nowhere with you, bro.
Relax.
What are you doing?
Relax.
Why you just run up on me?
Is this him? Black shirt?
This him? Black shirt?
What are y'all doing?
Black
you can't
shirt?
just roll up on people and fucking
This guy?
snatch somebody up. What the fuck are you doing?
Relax.
Nah, tell him he just rolls up on me and grabs me. Get the fuck out of here.
Alright, you're gonna be temporarily detained.
No, I'm not gonna be temporarily
Yeah, you are.
detained.
Yes, you are.
Who the fuck are
Yes,
you
you
temporarily detained? Get the fuck off of me!
Relax.
Yo, for real!
Relax.
Get off of me! I'm not doing nothing! What the fuck is wrong with you? Stop! Yo, help! Yo! Ronaldo!
Dude, stop.
Stop! No one, I wasn't doing shit!
Get on the ground.
Get the fuck! You're gonna push me into this fucking thing!
Stop fucking resisting.
I'm not I'm trying not to go into this!
Buddy, relax. Nobody
Yo.
wants to do this right now.
Stop fucking with me!
Relax.
Help! Help! Yo!
Relax.
Stop! For real, like what the fuck is wrong with you? I'm on my fucking cigarette break, you fucking weirdos!
I get a car behind cigarette.
Dude, I'm on my fucking lunch break, you
No
fuck!
trouble.
They're on the way now, man.
What the fuck are y'all doing? Help! Yo, I'm not. Stop! What the fuck are y'all doing? Help!
I'm gonna spray you if you don't stop. I'm going to spray you. Relax.
Fucking Christ!
Hey, please, Robert.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
103, stand by, sir.
Jesus Christ! Son, I'm on my fucking cigarette break, you fucking idiot! The fuck is wrong with you two?
Relax.
No, you fucking relax! I'm out here smoking a fucking cigarette and this dude rolls up and grabs me? Get the fuck out of here! Get fucked! I didn't do shit! Wait till this is fucking over! What's your name?
Officer Francis. Back number 543.
Alright, bet! Call me bet! Fucking clown! The fuck is wrong with you? I didn't do shit to nobody. I just came out for a fucking cigarette.
Okay.
I fucking work here. What the fuck is wrong with you two? Huh? What the fuck is wrong with you two? Yo, what the fuck is going on here? Huh?
Huh?
No, I'm not going nowhere with you. I'm at fucking work. What is wrong with you? Ronaldo! What the fuck is wrong with you guys? I was out smoking a butt on my break. No. Yo, you can't take me nowhere. Yo, I'm on the club, bro. I'm out here smoking a cigarette. So like, what the fuck is the deal? You guys aren't even telling me shit. Y'all ain't even telling me what's going on. He just rolls up and grabs my arm. What the? No. You gotta tell me what's going on first. No one's telling me shit. Why am I being detained? Why am I being detained?
Oh, the backup,
Hello? Yo, time out. Time the fuck out. Why am I being detained? Time out. No, you can't take me nowhere. I'm at fucking work. I was smoking a cigarette. Why am I being arrested? No one's telling me shit.
Walk with us. Just
So
walk
no
with
one's
us.
telling me nothing.
All right, just walk with us.
No,
Let's go.
y'all can't fucking take me, dude. Why y'all just taking me? Help! Help!
I'm not fucking playing with you. Get in the fucking car.
No, watch your fucking mouth, you fucking pussy! Yo, they just fucking kidnapped me. They won't tell me why. They threw me in the fucking car. Dude, he just pulled up and fucking grabbed me for no fucking reason. What the fuck? Help! Dude, I'm on the clock. I work here. What the fuck? Dude, they fucking just grab me up. They won't tell me shit. Oh, I'm suing the fuck out of you guys.
And I appreciate everybody's support and everybody's comments, even the negative ones. Like, you're entitled to your own opinion. It is what it is. I appreciate all y'all. Secondly, I see a lot of comments talking about that's what you get for having a warrant or committing a crime. Bro, I got 0 warrants, 0 pending cases, didn't commit any crime. I was just on my lunch break. I'm just a civilian smoking a cigarette. Anyways, you saw a lot on camera, so this is what happened off camera. To start the whole thing off, I was standing there smoking my cigarette. Officers approaching me from the front, homeless gentleman from the back. And the only reason I mention that is because we'll spin back to that. And then after the officer approaches me is what gets caught on camera. So you guys see up until I get thrown in the police cruiser and I had to cut out the video because I started calling people to come outside. So they held me for another like 45 minutes, not telling me or anybody I work with what's happening, what's going on, wouldn't say anything. They spoke to the victim of the crime, which I didn't know at the time, but that was the police first interaction and communication with the victim. So once they actually spoke with the victim and realized that they had the wrong person, they had to let me go.